Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about my bike and everything that I've done in the past year. So, this is my bike. It's a Trek Marlin 5, and here is what I've done with it and the things I've added. Starting down here, we have, instead of the normal chainstay sticker, I have some electrical tape wrapped around that hair. It's pretty easy to see, and also I replaced all the C-clips with these zip ties. If you want to see how to get them perfectly cut like this, just hit that card in the top right corner of your screen. Now, moving over to the pedals, we have raised face chesters, and mainly this chainring area, like the cassette derailleur, chain, all of that is the same as when I got it. Right here we have a bottle cage, and going up here I have installed a mud guard so that mud doesn't go flying everywhere when I'm riding. Up here I changed the grips to some nice WTB grips. I really enjoy them. And going around here, I tried to use some zip ties just so my cables wouldn't fly around as much. Oh yeah, by the way, if you haven't, please subscribe. It helps my channel out a lot, and it's free, so there's no reason not to. So do it. You can do that, probably can do a better job. And let's move on to the stickers, because they're obviously a big improvement, because we all know stickers make your bike go faster. So, right here I have a GoPro sticker, and also on the front, the Baby Yoda sticker. And if you don't like that, then you don't like Star Wars, and you also don't like Baby Yoda. Just look at them. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So, my rims and tires are the same as when I got it. We have Bontrager XR2s and Bontrager rims. Same on the back. See, and all that is the same. And anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.